Bananas are the world's number 4 dietary staple after rice, wheat and corn. Bananas come from a herbaceous plant and not a tree. Not just the fruit, but the entire plant with its flowers, fruits, stems and leaves can be consumed in different ways and is packed with nutrition and health benefits. The banana plant is said to have originated in the Southeast Asia, from where it migrated to the Africa and later to the Americas. Now let's come to the banana leaves. They are large, flexible, non-stick and waterproof and are used for religious, therapeutic, cooking purposes and are also used as construction materials and for writing. The banana leaves are used for cooking and serving purposes as they contain large amount of polyphenols, which are natural antioxidants and are said to cure lifestyle diseases. The warm food served on the plantains stimulates the polyphenols which get added to the food. Besides this, they are also antibacterial in nature and are loaded with nutrients. Patrani Macchi is a very famous Parsi dish in which the fish is smeared with generous amount of green chutney and then it is wrapped in banana leaves and steamed. However, today we will not steam the fish and instead we will cook it the way the Bengali dish Paturi is cooked. To make the green chutney, we need the following ingredients. To prepare this dish, I have used medium-sized pomfret fish. You can also use fish fillet of any other locally available fish. To begin making the Patrani Macchi, into the blender, I'll add all the ingredients which I had mentioned earlier, besides also adding some salt and sugar. Clean the fish and make small slits on the fish on both the sides. Now I'll take the green chutney and marinate the fish pieces with it for half an hour to 45 minutes. Now I'll take the banana leaves and toast it on fire. This will make them wilt. They will become soft and will be easy to fold without breaking or tearing. Now comes the wrapping part. We'll smear some chutney on top of our banana leaves and place our fish on top of it. We'll apply another layer of chutney on top of the fish, fold it from all four sides and secure it with a string. Traditionally, Patrani Macchi is prepared by steaming. However, today we will prepare it by cooking it on a pan. On a non-stick pan, we'll add some oil. We'll add our fish pieces wrapped in banana leaves. We'll cover and cook it on either side for around 8 to 10 minutes. Once done, we'll remove the fish from the pan and transfer it to a serving plate. We'll carefully unwrap the banana leaf and serve it immediately. Serve Patrani Macchi on its own along with some steamed rice for a perfect Parsi meal experience. Hello guys, I hope you like this dish. Do make it for your friends and family. We upload a new video every Wednesday, so if you like our content, please do share and subscribe. The music for this video is composed by Paridhi Band. Do check out their YouTube page.